வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, கல்விச்செவி உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ்லேருந்து டு யூ நோ அப்படிங்கிறது உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமான்னு சொல்லிட்டு பாக்ஸில் போட்டிருப்பாங்க. இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் நிறைய இதுலேருந்து உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கு வரதுக்கு நிறைய வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. அதுதான் நமக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஆல்ரெடி நான் தமிழில் போட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ இது இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்காக இங்கிலீஷில் போடுறேன். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். இது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். வாங்க. Amaravati is the new capital of Andhra Pradesh, but according to Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act, Hyderabad will be the capital for both the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana till 2024 for 10 years from the act passed. Aravalli range is the oldest fold mountain range in India. Aravalli range is the oldest fold mountain range in India. Himalaya is the home of several high peaks. However, it holds the record of having the maximum number of highest peaks among any mountain range in world. Out of 14 heights peaks in this world, Himalayas hold 9. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere of a place at a given point of time. Climate is the accumulation of daily and seasonal weather events of a given location over a period of 30 to 35 years. Equable climate is also called as the British climate, which is neither too hot or not too cold. Equable climate is also called as the British climate, which is neither too hot or nor too cold. Atacama Desert is the driest place on the earth. Atacama Desert is the driest place on the earth. Mount Sharnam, a place which receives highest rainfall, 141 cm in the world. It is located in Meghalaya. Moesnaram is the place which receives highest rainfall in the world. It is located in Meghalaya. The centimeters is 1141 cm. The Nilgiri tahar is facing a major threat in the Western Ghats. Continuous poaching activities and eucalyptus cultivation hampering its habitat. The Nilgiri tahar population is continuously decreasing. The black buck is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. The black buck is the state animal of Andhra Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. Project Tiger was launched in April 1973 with the aim to conserve tiger population specifically constituted tiger reserves in India. This project is benefited tremendously with an increase of over 60%. The 1979 consensus put the population at 3015, while other equally distributed species like the Barasingha, swamp deer, rhino and elephant also fought back from the brink of oblivion. As per the Irrigation Statistical Yearbook India 2017, the following states are the top 5 with respect to the percentage of areas under well irrigation during 2013-14. Uttar Pradesh 26.6%, Madhya Pradesh 14.6%, Rajasthan 13.1%, Gujarat 7.8%, Punjab 7.1%. Source from the Irrigation Statistical Yearbook of India 2017. P or drop more crop, improving water use efficiency. Pradhan Mantri Krish Sinchai Yojana, PMKSY. The Government of India has been implementing centrally sponsored scheme on micro irrigation with the objective to enhance water use efficiency in the agriculture sector by promoting appropriate technological interventions like drip and sprinkler irrigation technologies and encourage the farmers to use water saving and conservation technologies. The following are the 5 leading states which account for 78% of the total progress under micro irrigation scheme. One is Andhra Pradesh, second is Karnataka, third one is Gujarat, fourth one is Maharashtra and fifth one is Tamil Nadu. How is livestock census conducted in Tamil Nadu? State government is conducting livestock census with the help of Department of Animal Husbandry at state level and regional joint director at district level under the guidelines of Government of India Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. The livestock census in the country started in the year 1919-1920. The livestock census start பண்ணது 1919 to 1920. Since then, it has been conducted once in every year. So for 19 livestock census has been conducted and the law census was held in the year is 2012. The 20th livestock census 2017 was scheduled to be conducted from 16th July and will end on 15th October 2017. Source from the Government of India, Instruction Manual 2001, Livestock Census. Livestock census. First livestock census in India was conducted with the little of dairy cattle census in 1919. Following this, the 19th livestock census was conducted in October 2012 and it takes place at every 5 years. The serial number, name of the livestock population in lakhs cattle 1.91, goats 1.35, buffaloes 1.09, sheep 0.65, pigs 0.10. 19th livestock census, Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. Iron ores or rocks and minerals from which metallic iron can be economically extracted. The ores are usually rich in iron oxides and vary in color from dark gray, bright yellow or deep purple to rusty red. The iron is usually found in following form of iron ores, iron content percentage pakla. Magnetite 72.4%, hematite 16.9%, geotite 62.9%, limonite 55%, siderite 48.2%. The organizations associated with minerals in India are the Geological Survey of India, headquarters is at Kolkata, Indian Bureau of Mines, headquarters at Nagpur, and Non-Ferrous Material Technology Development Center, NFTDC, located at Hyderabad. The Ministry of Mines is responsible for the administration of all mines and minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957. Bauxite is an oxide of aluminium. The name has been derived after the French word "le bax". Compressed natural gas CNG methane stored at high pressure is a fuel which can be used in place of gasoline, diesel fuel and propane bar LPG. In comparison to other fuel, natural gas poses less of a threat in the event of a spill because it is lighter than air and disperses quickly when released. Biomethane, cleaned up biogas from anaerobic digestion or landfills, can be used. Natural gas vehicles are increasingly used in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata, Lucknow, Kanpur, Varanasi, etc. Tamil Nadu has the largest installation of wind turbines in the country in the Muppandal Perungudi area near Kanyakumari is the largest concentration of the wind farm capacity at a single location in the world. The first hydroelectric power station in India was established at Darjeeling in 1897. Bisonosis, also called brown lung disease or Monday fever, is an occupational lung disease caused by exposure to cotton dust in inadequately ventilated working environment. The first cotton textile mill was established at Fort Gloucester near Calcutta in 1818. The first attempt to produce iron and steel unit was set up at Porto Novo in Tamil Nadu in 1830. Development Commissioner for Handlooms was set up as an attached non-participating office on 20th November 1975 under the Ministry of Commerce. At present, it is functioning under the Ministry of Textile, having headquarters at Udyog Bhavan, New Delhi. Industry, place and establishment year பார்க்கலாம், product பார்க்கலாம். டாடா அயன் அண்ட் ஸ்டீல் கம்பெனி ஜம்ஷெட்பூர் ஜர்கண்டில் இருக்குது. எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்ட் இயர் 1911. பிக் ப்ராடக்ட் பிக் அயன். நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்தியன் அயன் அண்ட் ஸ்டீல் கம்பெனி, இது பர்னாப்பூரில், ஹிராப்பூர், குல்தி அண்ட் வெஸ்ட் பெங்காலில் இருக்குது. இது இயர் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்ட் இயர் 1972. இது பிக் அயன் அண்ட் க்ரூட் ஸ்டீல். அப்புறம் விஸ்வேஸ்வரயா லைன் ஸ்டீல் லிமிடெட் இருக்குது. இது பரத்வாதி கர்நாடகா 1923 எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்ட் அலாய் அண்ட் ஸ்பான்ஸ் ஸ்டீல்ஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் ரெடி பண்ணுறாங்க. ஹிந்துஸ்தான் ஸ்டீல் லிமிடெட் HSL கொலாபரேட்டட் வித் ரஷ்யா. இதில் பிலாய் சத்தீஸ்கர்ஸில் இருக்குது. 1957 எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்மெண்ட் இயர். ப்ராடக்ட் ரயில்வே எக்யூப்மெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஷிப் பில்டிங். Fifth one, Hindustan Steel Limited collaborated with Germany. இது ரோர்கேலா ஒடிஷாவில் இருக்குது. 1965 எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்மெண்ட் இயர். ஹாட் அண்ட் கோல்ட் ரோல்டு ஷீட்ஸ், galvanized sheets and electrical plates. Sixth one, Hindustan Steel Limited collaborated with United Kingdom. Durgapur, West Bengal இருக்குது. 1959 alloy steel construction materials and railway equipments. Number 7, Hindustan Steel Limited collaborated with Russia. Bokaro, Jharkhand இருக்குது. 1972 எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்மெண்ட். ஸ்லட்ஜ் அண்ட் ஸ்லாக். ரெண்டாவது சேலம் ஸ்டீல் லிமிட்டடு, சேலம் தமிழ்நாடு. 1982 ஸ்டெயின்லெஸ் ஸ்டீலு. விஜயநகர் ஸ்டீல் பிளான்ட் டோர்னங்கலில் கர்நாடகாவில் இருக்குது. 1994 எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்மெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஃப்ளாட் ஸ்டீல் அண்ட் லாங் ஸ்டீல் ரெடி பண்ணுறாங்க. விசாகப்பட்டினம் ஸ்டீல் பிளான்ட் விசாகப்பட்டினம் ஆந்திர பிரதேஷ் 1981 வந்திருக்கு. எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்மெண்ட் இயர். ஹாட் மெட்டல் ரெடி பண்ணுறாங்க. அடுத்தது நேஷ்னல் நியூஸ் பிரிண்ட் அண்ட் பேப்பர் மில்ஸ் இஸ் அட் நேபாநகர் இன் பர்ஹன்பூர் district of Madhya Pradesh. Make in India program was launched in 2014 to put India on the world map as a major hub for global design and manufacturing. Chennai is nicknamed as the Detroit of Asia due to the presence of major automobile manufacturing units and allied industries around the city. In India, the first census was carried out in the year 1872, but the first complete and synchronous census was conducted in 1881, and the 11th census represents the 15th census India. The ratio between the economically active and economically inactive of population is termed as dependency ratio. Sher Shah Suri built the Shahi Royal Road and strengthen and consolidate his empire from the Indus Valley to the Sonar Valley in Bengal. This road from Kolkata to Peshawar was renamed as Grand Trunk Road during the British period. At present, it extends from Amritsar to Kolkata. It is bifurcated in two segments, NH1 from Delhi to Amritsar and BNH2 from Delhi to Kolkata. இதில் 30 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பேலன்ஸ் இன்னும் 35 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் கிட்டத்தட்ட இருக்குது, 30 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.